Okay, so this is my first time ever doing an unboxing. I just received my Afro Goddess Tarot Arcanas. And first and foremost, I got this most lovely little gift. It is a larvakite and copper pendulum, and it is to ward off negative energy and enhance psychic abilities. It's very beautiful. It's got some flash to it. Beautiful copper chain, beautiful ball. The top, I'm loving it. Love, love, loving it. But now, I have been waiting since, I think, about March 4th for these cards. It is April 23rd, 4th. I don't even know what day it is. The 24th. Today, my baby came. I feel like I've been pregnant and I had labor. And she's here. Look at this bag, y'all. It's beautiful. I know it's backwards, but it's velvet. It's red. It's a pouch. I don't have to buy one for my cards because she lovingly... Sorry about that. She lovingly put one in. One of these nice, beautiful bags. The box is in the bag. Beautiful. Beautiful box. Afro Goddess Tarot Arcanas. First edition. And, oh, Melita, I wish you the power of 11 moons and 11 suns. Oh, wow. Thank you, Andrea. Sorry. This is beautiful, and it makes me feel wonderful. So thank you. All right. Nice message in the box. It's a flip top with a little magnet. Beautiful. For there is a most divine strength encased within the passion for wisdom and nestled in the cycle of external existence. And by the alignment of both wisdom and action, your destiny shall be revealed. With a nice, beautiful unk. On top, we have the guidebook. Beautiful. I love the colors. Nice and compact. There are no pictures in here, but who needs pictures when you have the actual cards? I don't. Okay, I guess I'll put that little where you can see it. Oh, and then we have our cards. Look at the back. Embossed Africa on it. Beautiful with the geometric design. Gold gilding on the sides. And the most beautiful artwork on the actual cards. The Fool, the Magician, or the Fool. I wonder why this one actually has the name at the top. And maybe the other ones do too, but oh my goodness, look at her, girl. Look at her. Be a fool with it, girl. Anyway. Ooh, the Magician. Beautiful. I'm not going to go through all the cards because I want you to buy them for yourself. But honey, look at the Supreme. I am in love. This was so well worth the wait. I just don't even know what to do with myself. I'm about to get off of here and do some readings for myself. Look at this. Just beautiful. I think that's a 9 of Cups. Yeah. Gorgeous. Oh. 10 of Cups. Look at that. It's actually black love, ladies and gentlemen, with the babies. Oh, I just love this. I'm like, oh, girl, second edition. I'm going to have to get it, I know. But right now, I'm about to order these copper necklaces. I want the Supreme. Look at this. 10 of Pentacles. Just loving, loving, loving it. I mean, it's like legit. I'm an artist, so I really appreciate the artwork. It's like having an art gallery in your pocket. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, girl. Okay, Four of Wands, honey. Celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's get it. I love it. I'm actually quite inspired. Never seen a deck with hips and a waistline that look like me. God of Wands. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Absolutely beautiful artwork. Absolutely wonderful. I'm about to get to some reading. Ow, look, picked it up again. I guess I'm about to celebrate. Whoop, whoop. Yes, I am. Daughter of Wands. Yes, ma'am. Go page. Okay. Just wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you for creating this wonderful deck. Peace and blessings. Ashe.